In this tutorial, we will cover some additional features that benefit in site discovery. Let's start by choosing the Data aspect to Engagement mode, because we want to identify mentions with high engagement. Then we can locate the chart below, look for an engagement spike, and click on the point to reveal the mentions underneath. Now, we focus on the data for this date. The left pane consists of a mentions list, and we can also sort the order here. The right pane contains the summary for the chosen date and all the analyses performed by Mandala Analytics, such as the total number of mentions, sentiments, language distribution, keyword clouds, etc. Once we spot an interesting mention, we will use the tag function by clicking here. We can give this tag a name and save it to the existing tags or create a new category, like this. However, we can save this mention to the already created tags by choosing a tag. This method is practical, but only allows us to work with individual mentions. There are also other convenient methods to save a large number of mentions to a tag. For the first technique, we will need to launch the Mention Console, where we can view, filter, and manage mentions in large quantities. Before we jump into tagging a mention, let's explore the Mention Console a little more. The Mention Console is often used to search and screen mentions using the advanced mention filters. There are several filters you can use in different combinations. Additionally, we can define mentions individually if we wish to adjust some aspects of the mention, and we can do it here. Next, we may combine filters to find mentions based on our chosen criteria. For example, if we type in the words price and taste with other filters, Mandala Analytics will intelligently select mentions that fall within the chosen parameters. The filtered mentions will appear. We can switch between platforms as well. Now let's go back to how we can save filtered mentions to a tag. Click All and choose either Save Selected as Tag or Save as Tag. Once done, Mandala Analytics will usually take a little while to save those mentions to a designated tag, so please be patient. The great part about using tags is that we can load them within the main dashboard to perform more analysis. Let's see. We can select a few tags, and Mandala Analytics will load mentions based on the tags into the main dashboard. Now we can use advanced analytics features to extract more insights from the saved tags. Another powerful approach to saving mentions in tags is via tag automation, which we will cover in a separate video. Of course, we can always export the processed data from the tags via the Export menu. Please note that Mandala Analytics only works with public data that meets global data policy, privacy policy, and social media platforms policies and regulations. Therefore, we do not allow raw data export. Only public, processed, and de-identified data are permitted. We hope this tutorial will be helpful to get you started with Mandala Analytics. We also have other tutorials to explain some additional features, use cases, and walkthroughs. So be sure to look at some of them. If you have any queries, do not hesitate to contact us via our social inboxes or web forums, or write us an email, and we will get back to you soon. Thank you.